Hi, I'm Shrutika. I cleared my PCE from India only, and this was my second attempt for PCE. Well, I cleared my bachelor's from India in 2021, and as soon as I cleared my bachelor's, I was thinking that I will pursue this career further in abroad, and I was thinking about Canada because in Air Punjab, mostly people pursue that in Canada, and I think it's a very good country to pursue this career. So I started talking to my seniors or my teachers who were in Canada, and then I got to know about Study Buddy. One of my teachers suggested me that she cleared her PC in the second attempt with the Study Buddy as she got to know about it, and she gave me a very good reference. She told me about the basic lectures that we get from the Study Buddy that helps in building the foundation. As soon as I get her reference, I was totally into it, and I wanted to do it with Study Buddy only. And I think that was my best decision that I chose Study Buddy. When I started the classes, when I signed up with Ankit sir, and I got to know about his orientation class. That was the first class where he taught us all about the group, how to manage the portal, where we can find the lectures and the material, the books, everything he taught us. And first of all, I thought that it's too much to handle. But as I went through the journey, it became very easy with Ankit sir and with everybody else. It was so helpful to have a group with these all these mentors, as they were very much accessible, and I could talk to them any moment. They would reply me so fast, and the students were also very much helping in the group. I had never problem finding any lecture. Even if I want to go to the anatomy lecture, it was there. If I need to go to the Kistner, it was on the portal. I had everything prepared for me. It was like somebody did all the work for me, and I just had to study that. It was like 70% work was done for me, and the 30% was left, which was also very helpful with the help of the whole team of Study Buddy. I think it's a very very helpful portal for me. Yes. When it was my second attempt, I thought that I should go with the mentor because I was totally lost, that I had no idea from where to restart, from where to pick up my pieces. So I got to know about the mentorship that Celebrity also has some mentors. So they give you one-on-one attention, and if you have any confusion, you can reach out to your mentor and get your clear idea, get your doubts clear, get everything done. And they also provide some separate notes and live lectures. I thought that I should go for that, and it was totally worth it. I went with Ankush sir, and his way of teaching is superb. His co-mentor is also very determined to the timings and to the questions they gave us, like the small questions they used to rapid fire brainstorming, and it helped me to gain some learning and some brain thinking. It helps me to rethink about my ideas, how I think about a question, how can I change my thinking, how can I think as a Canadian person. Because being in India, I had this problem. I never been to India. So I had this problem that how can I understand Canadian ethics by sitting in India? That was the most difficult part for me. But with by talking with the uncle sir, it helped me a lot, and I think it improved my thinking to a very good extent. And yeah, I know many students face many problems throughout this journey, like time management or maybe lack of motivation. But to be honest, I never had these problems because I always used to believe in myself and believe in my dream. And I always used to imagine myself as a registered physio in Canada, wearing a white coat there and working with the patients. That gave me a lot of motivation. Apart from this, I used to have some problems while solving the questions. Like I used to finish my mock in 3 hours only. I face this problem as I used to misread some questions, but by giving lots of more and by practicing some questions, I also managed to have cured that problem of me. Also, I would like to give some credit to my family for their unconditional support and my study partners for sure, because without them this journey would have been impossible. They were so consistent to study. They were so good. They used to motivate me. They used to help me whenever I needed, even though they were in different countries. They were sitting in different places. I always used to connect with them whenever I had any doubt, I need any notes. And moreover, I would like to thank Ankit sir and his whole team, Mayank sir, Pooja ma'am, and Purvi ma'am also, because their lectures were incredible and they helped me a lot in this journey. Every note helped me and I read every, to be honest. Ankush sir's notes were also very good. Pulmonary, I was having so many problems. I only passed it because of Ankush sir's notes, because it was very good. It was to the point and it was very, very helping for me. It was very helpful. The tips I want to give to the future student is that, first of all, do not study on your exam day. Kindly save your energy for your exam, because on your exam day you have the maximum energy. When you study, you spend all that energy on your studies only and you are left with nothing when you sit for the exam. This happened with me in my first attempt. So kindly do not do that. The second thing I would like to say that this is just an entry-level exam. Do not panic and believe in yourself. You have studied enough and you can do it just as I did. All the best.